My name is Priya Krishna, and I ask a lot of questions. Like, how does the largest public school system in the country feed thousands of middle schoolers each day?
Do I just sit by myself? This is really triggering right now.
Or what does it take to be a street vendor fighting for the right just to sell your food?
It's nearly impossible for anyone to become a legal street vendor right now.
Wow.
And what's it like to build a thriving pizza business in the most competitive pizza city in the country?
We got the chicken teriyaki.
We got the chopped cheeseburger, brown stew oxtail, curry oxtail, sweet chili.
It was viewed by over 2 million people.
The short answer is, it ain't easy. Holy cow. There are 2,100 students that go here.
On the Job is a show about people who shape what we eat and how we eat, whose jobs often go unseen.
These are amazing.
Pull up, beloved. We here. Cuts and slices.
Ahora no tengo miedo.
I could never get tired of that. Wow.